Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about the truth about social media free traffic. Now, if you've ever bought products like the one I'm showing on my screen right now, you'll be used to these kind of free traffic, free buyer traffic type headlines. And I talk a lot about these during reviews and kind of skim over it really and tell you that it won't work if you haven't got a following on social media. But I want to go through that in a little bit more detail today and kind of explain and show you some of these sites and explain exactly why you might not be able to get the free traffic that people like this who create these types of products are promising you. So guys, if you enjoy these types of videos and you want to kind of get an under the hood look of affiliate marketing and what some of these products are all about, then go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you really want to learn how to build a business using affiliate marketing, go ahead and join our free workshop. You'll see the link in the description below. It'll take you through exactly the reasons that you might be failing online and also show you the way forward and actually teach you some of the key things that you need to know to actually start making money online with affiliate marketing. So go ahead and hit that link. It's completely free and I tell you what guys, it's really worth your while. So let's jump straight in guys, and these videos are really aimed at beginners that really don't understand what a lot of these headlines are referring to. So once you do buy a product and you get inside, you kind of can't work out why you're not getting all of this free traffic, and I kind of want to show you why. So what you tend to see is headlines like this. So in the next 60 seconds you're going to get 100% done for you super affiliate system with free buyer traffic from 800 million visitors. Now what they kind of do is one of two things. They'll either say free buyer traffic, or they'll actually specify a number of visitors that is usually in a relation to something like Facebook being 1 billion visitors or YouTube being 2 billion visitors, whatever it may be. They're actually specifying a particular social media channel. So let's go ahead and look at another one. This one is a push button. Push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds flat. Same kind of thing guys. And then Profitorial. Send world's first one-click app sends you unstoppable flood of free buyer traffic and commissions. And these, once you get inside, are all referring to the same thing. So I'm going to jump inside just one of them as an example. Now this is a product called Traffic Based, and what happens is you can build funnels on this particular product and then you can share them onto these social media sites. So I just go and view one of these funnels. This is the page, and then what you get here is a social media share button on the left hand side. Now the idea is that you would share to these various services with this button and people would come along to your traffic through these particular networks. Now what happens with all social media, as you probably know, is that you need to have followers, you need to have a lot of engagement on that social media, and whether you use hashtags or whether there's some other way of actually getting people over to your content, then you need to have people constantly looking at your content for it to be worthwhile. Now the problem with most of these is unless you've got a following on any of these types of networks, nobody is going to come along to your site to actually see it through the links that you share. So the idea is I would come along here and I would literally press on Facebook here, and then I'd be able to share this to my Facebook page or my Facebook account and people would come along. But of course, if nobody was on my Facebook page or my Facebook account, they wouldn't see it. So I'd end up sharing this to my family and friends. Now, if you ever wondered where this actually comes from, most of the sites now are using this service called Add This. And Add This is a kind of third-party site that allows you to use their widgets on their site. And if you come along and look at the tools section of Add This, you can just go along and use share buttons, follow buttons, list building, link promotion. They've got all sorts of different tools on here. But the point of Add This is for big proper marketers, these are very useful tools. If you've got content, you've got following, you can use their tools to actually allow them to either come along to your content or share your content to others. So it's a really good site. Trouble is, when we're using it for these kind of make money online products, what you tend to see is the kind of promise of free buyer traffic coming out of nowhere, and it doesn't exist. You can't just share stuff to other sites and expect people to come along and view your own stuff. Now the issue is when you start talking about things like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, those type of sites, we've all got social media sites on those particular platforms, but unless you've got a big follow in those platforms and you share a link, nobody's going to see that link. It could be your friends, your family on that link usually, and they're not going to be interested in that link for you to come along and buy some kind of latest make money online product. That's the kind of big issue with most people. Anybody with that kind of following obviously could use this tool, but this video is based at new people and beginners who have not got that type of following. So you're not going to get any kind of organic reach by using kind of social media. The second problem with this is when you start looking in actually types of links they've got and what types of sites they're linking to, most of them have got no interest in the actual niche of make money online and actually sharing links into these platforms. For instance, one of these is Amazon. Now, as you know, Amazon is a place where you go and buy stuff. It's not a place where you share random links to products for. The other kind of one I saw here was the Box. Now, the Box is a project management site where you can go ahead and store files and all of that kind of documentation or pictures or whatever, and you can share between your teams. That's not going to be something you can share this type of documentation to. There's other examples like Trello on here, which is a project management software that allows you to plan out projects. Again, absolutely no kind of correlation between that platform and what you're trying to do here. I know you can go on and on. You've got Fab Design here. I'm just going to take this at random. I haven't even seen this one. Now, as you can see here, Stylish Home isn't even working. And this is a new product. So they're already saying that this is a workable link. Next one up is Google Classroom. This is where your children go ahead and get their lessons, and you're going to be putting a link into Google Classroom. So there's a couple of things you need to be considering here, guys, whenever you see headlines like this. If you see something that says free buyer traffic, you need to be very wary straight away and think to yourself, that is going to be social media traffic. It's going to be some kind of app like I've just shown you. And if you share it to that platform, unless you've got an existing following on that platform, nobody is going to come along and click that organically. It just does not happen. And if you do have an existing following on that platform, you're not very likely to use this kind of software anyway. You can just go ahead and share it yourself to that platform in your own way. So guys, I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of show you exactly what the free buyer social media traffic is and really make you understand, especially if you're a beginner, how sometimes these headlines are really not what they seem. So guys, if you find this kind of information useful, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos just like this one. And guys, if you're kind of struggling with affiliate marketing or really want to understand how to make affiliate marketing work for you, don't forget to join our free workshop. You'll see the link in the description below, and you'll be able to join that. And it's a great workshop. It's going to give you lots of valuable information, kind of explain where you're going wrong at the moment, and then explain the way forward. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, take care.